the Thursday Club events that we have, we try to get you as a community to meet each other and to have a focus around what we're really here for. So we tend to do a sort of warm-up activity, and that's about to start right now. So if I can invite you just to come and be standing in the middle of the space, just quite relaxed, and we'll begin. Thank you. So, good evening everybody. We're going to get a chance to sort of just explore where things are and how you can get money and perhaps investments and all of the challenges that come with starting a business and all of those kind of things. And we're going to try to do that through this activity. So if you can just imagine that this inside of the space, inside of where the chairs are, where you're located, it's a kind of map of London. We'll say that's up there is kind of South London, that's kind of North London, that's kind of East London, that's kind of West London. And outside of the chairs, so down that way south would be Croydon, and if we go further it will be Brighton, and then if you go further it will be France, and so on and so on and so on. And if you go this way, I'm sure if you go further you might reach some other Eastern European country, and if you go that way it's America, and if you go that way it's, you get the idea, yeah? But essentially the map is kind of London, or it could be the UK, it depends on you, but it's a map of the area. So just to start off, in terms of south, north, east and west, I'd like you to just to go to the place on the map, the area of the map, where you first thought about getting into business. Go to that part of the area of the room. Could be, if it's out of London, go beyond the chair. Doesn't really matter, but just go to parts of the room that you feel, this is the first place that I considered having a business or starting a business. It was in a particular area, and it, you know, just go to, where it doesn't matter, just go to a particular area, and we'll just kind of find out in a moment where people might be. So that was south, that was north, that was east, and that was west. So maybe we can hear from these people over here. You're kind of in the west. Where might you be right now? Where was it that you considered getting into business?
For me, West London, Wembley, where I grew up.
And you're agreeing to that, obviously?
Yeah. But I didn't just think about it, I did it. So I used to sell Caribbean food in my youth.
Good. Thank you very much. We're going to go over to the south group. Anybody from the south area want to say something about where they are and what was it they considered starting business in the south? Anybody from the south group?
Yeah, I had a group of laundrettes and I sold up in 2013. So I loitered.
Thank you very much. And the east.
I started a business, considered starting a business in East London, which I have done in health and social care agency, and I've already started it.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for sharing. And the North London people. Anybody from the North London want to share something?
I'm an insurance advisor and I live 5 minutes down the road. So I started my business in North London, and I used to live in South as well, but I'm based in North.
Good, thank you. Okay, so we're getting the general idea. Again, if it's outside of London, just sort of step outside beyond the chairs to represent where that is for you. But the next question is, where is the money? Go to the place where you think the money is.